Hey everyone, welcome to RFD, and today we are going to take our first attempt at a swim bait. Awesome! Caught one! Hey everyone, be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. I have a giveaway to announce. So I'm drawing in where I'm going to cut across. I need to put the angle in. So I need to decide which way I'm going to go. Yeah, I'm going to go that way. Okay. Making sure it's all the same. The straighter the better. Just smarter. So I'm going to line up the edge with the mark. Draw a line. We're going to do some outsides. So I'm going to have a nice even triangle there. So, no more hacksaw. For Father's Day, I got this Japanese razor saw. Alright. Got started. Now I want to kind of line our angle up. That's real. Now we want to be making an even cut on both sides. A little further on that one. Get a little bit over here. See, they're pretty much going right there. Nice thin cut. That's what I got this for. We're doing like the lure slots and or the line slots and all that. So I finished the sanding. That was just hand sanding, so nothing spectacular there. Put the eye, or drilled the eye sockets, and now we're going to go ahead and finish off the cut. Goodness, good wood. There we go. That made up pretty nice. Now, we're going to taper this back so I can get a little bit more wobble. Alright, so I have the hot lead ready. we're going to very carefully and slowly for the waves. Helps if I hit it. There we go. Alright, it is time to paint today, and I've got everything done. I've got the weights balanced. I did that off screen, but this is the final bait ready to be painted. Got the tail over here. I'm going to airbrush this, and today's pattern, I'm going to do a McCloud Rainbow Trout. So I figured I'd bring you in on the process of trying to decide how to paint this, and I'll show an image of this on the screen, and you can see it's got generally a white background, so we're going to do all white opaque on the body. Now the fin is transparent, so we're going to keep that transparent. We're not going to do an opaque white on that. It's got a little bit of a yellow hue underneath everything on the above the belly, basically. So we're going to do a really light transparent yellow over the top. Now all I have is opaque yellow, and I'll show you how to make that transparent. And then one of the big features on the McCloud Rainbow Trout is the blue barbs and the blue specks. And you can barely see the blue specks up in the top, but we'll put those in after the yellow, and we'll kind of keep those real light. And then what I'm going to do is paint the top with a green color, and we'll give that the primary background color, and that gets us kind of to our background colors. The other background color really is this red line through here. We'll do that red line as well, and then we'll get into the scaling. So I'll mesh it after that, and then what I'll do is a pearl scaling on the bottom, and the upper half right above the blue middle lines, I'll go ahead and do a gold scaling. I'll do that gold kind of light, but I'm going to do the pearl pretty heavy down here. You can see it kind of covers up, especially on the gills. The gill will get a red on it to kind of blend that in, and then a real heavy pearl on the bottom, or real heavy pearl over top of it. Oi. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Spraying it at a high angle. This one I'm gonna keep flat. Come on. Alright, I got the hooks just loosely hanging. Now it should just barely sink. Yep. Perfect. I adjust the weights based off of the split rings. These are the heavier split rings that I have. So I could also reduce the hook size if I wanted it to suspend a little better. So I'm setting a goal for my channel to reach 1,000 subscribers. On the 1,000 subscriber mark, I will give away my next swim bait that I make. To be entered into the giveaway, you will need to be a subscriber and in the United States, because I haven't a clue how to ship it to other countries. And a big shout out to my subscribers already. Thank you for supporting this channel. You twitch it, it has really good action. There's the bite. Little bluegill. There's bass, look at that. Come on, bite it. Oh, I had a bite. No taker, but nip at it. Oh, I got one. Awesome. Caught one. Yeah. Not a bad little guy. Yay, first pass on my swim bait. Woo. I can't believe it. This is the first time I've ever caught a fish out here. Oh, great. And he's in the water, thank goodness.